So we've got a Lexus RX 450h in with us here at TTW Installations. We've been asked to upgrade this particular vehicle with the latest generation Apple CarPlay with the actual Lexus interface. So I thought it'd be rather nice just to give you a very quick video and show you what it's like, and here you are. So obviously you can go in and out of the main Lexus system very easily and then back into CarPlay. So this particular one, obviously it's a really nice large screen, so you get the full screen capability, which you don't always get in a lot of vehicles. And to be honest, looking in here now, I mean obviously if you're owner of one of these you'll know how big these screens are, but it's really such a large upgrade, and the icons are lovely and crisp and everything else in here. Everything is governed through the jog dial, the Lexus jog dial, which can be moved up and down and then across into obviously where you want to go, and then into there. So it's quite easy to navigate. Obviously the Lexus joypad is slightly different to other ones like there is in Mercedes and the BMW, but it's perfectly adequate for navigating through in here. Everything is streamed through Bluetooth audio, as well as obviously all utilizes for hands-free, back through the original Lexus system. We do add an extra microphone for Siri as well if you want to obviously do full voice activation. It's got full integration into the reversing camera system, which is there, and then obviously when you go back in, it goes straight back into the CarPlay interface. So if you've got a Lexus, you're lacking CarPlay, you'd like to upgrade it, then please get in touch here with TTW Installations. We'll love to be able to upgrade your car for you with the latest generation Apple CarPlay.